A chained animal who can have no idea of the agony he's caused a British family. Gareth Crowe was riding the elephant named Golf with his stepdaughter on the Thai island of Koh Samui when it's understood the animal turned on its handler, throwing off the riders, then trampled on Gareth, who was killed instantly. His stepdaughter's being treated for minor injuries, but what caused the animal to bolt remains unclear. It could have been the hot weather causing stress, says this vet, or maybe the tourists were startled by something. What is clear is that Thailand's use of animals for tourism is facing increased scrutiny. This is the latest in a string of tragedies involving Thailand's some 4,000 domesticated elephants. In August, a guide was killed while 3 tourists watched on in horror. Campaigners say while Gareth's death is a tragedy, there needs to be greater awareness of the often unacceptable conditions the animals are kept in.
I think if people knew the way the elephants were treated to make them ready to be ridden, they wouldn't want to ride them. It's incredibly cruel. And there are other ways people can interact with elephants through sanctuaries and other places to visit the elephants in their natural environment, which is more respectful for the animals and get a better experience for the tourists.
A spokesman for the Foreign and Commonwealth Office said contact has been made with Gareth's family, who now face an unimaginably painful journey home. Nina Warhurst, 5 News.